What's on my phone in 2021, nearing end of 2021. Happy holidays, everyone. I don't know when this video is going to be coming out, but you guys are so nosy and you always want to see what's on my phone, how I stay productive, and my favorite apps and all that stuff. So I thought I'd make another video on that topic today. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's hop into what's on my phone at the end of the year 2021. Also, comment down below if you have any New Year's resolutions. I don't believe in them, but I'd be happy to hear if you guys have any big goals that you want to try to strive for nearing end of 2021 and going into 2022. For me, I have most of the same goals, pass my exam, that sort of stuff, but let's get into why you clicked on this video, which is actually what's on my phone. So this is my phone. It's pretty lackluster. I try to keep things as simple as possible when I'm installing stuff on my phone and how I organize my device, because simplicity is key. Because I don't know, like a non-cluttered phone equals a non-cluttered mind, in my opinion. So at the top here, just like a clock widget with the date, just so I know what time it is and what day of the week it is. That's pretty self-explanatory. Moving along, we have Anchor. That's how I manage my podcast. That's how I check views, statistics, analytics, that sort of thing. You can also upload on Anchor here if you really want to and record it straight off your phone like this. I don't do that, but you can too. Google Maps, I use that literally all the time for navigation. Calendar, I use it sometimes, mainly just for like remembering important dates and holidays, and also like people's birthdays. Amazon, I don't even have to go into Amazon. I shop on Amazon. I buy tech on Amazon, other stuff. Play Store, use that to install apps. YouTube Music, if you guys haven't tried YouTube Music yet, highly recommend it, and it's not even that expensive. I think it's the same price as Spotify per month, I think. But if you get YouTube Premium, which is like, you have a bunch of perks on there, like no ads is like the biggest one. You can get YouTube Music for free if you get YouTube Premium, and that's what I have right now. I pay for YouTube Premium every month just because I use it so much. But YouTube Music is awesome, and the streaming quality is amazing, and I use it literally all the time. YouTube, I'm not going into that. Podcasts, I listen to podcasts. As I mentioned on this channel already, I have my own podcast at Unwrapping Success. If you guys want to go check that out, the link is in the description down below. We talk about how to be like a successful person, like in your like 20s, basically. Podcasts are great for like long car rides, in my opinion. Gallery, it's where I have my pictures. Chrome, browsing the internet. Gmail, just so I can check email on the go. Settings, if I want to adjust any settings on my phone. I'm always diving deep into Android settings, tweaking it so I can make the device my own. By the way, I don't know if you guys know this, if I even mentioned this video, but like I own a Galaxy S21. We'll see what the Galaxy S22 has to offer and if I should upgrade or not. Comment down below what your thoughts on the Galaxy S22 are. I haven't seen it look too much into it, but it looks like it's going to be a substantial upgrade and a pretty substantial like design difference compared to this model. We'll have to see, but Samsung's killing it. Phone, contacts, messages, camera. I don't need to explain those, but scrolling over, we have some of my like to-do lists. I have a Todoist widget on my screen just so I can like look at things I need to accomplish and then just check them off. I also have a whiteboard behind me for other things I need to accomplish, but I like Todoist because I can just like throw something on here really quick if I need to accomplish something. YouTube Music widget, so I can adjust it without actually having to go into the app. And then some long-term goals on the bottom right here. As I said, I'm a big goal setter, and I don't really believe in New Year's resolutions, so I have all these goals here just to remind me of what I need to work on over time, because none of these are going to like be achieved in like a week. They're all long-term. Scrolling to the app drawer, we have Amazon and Mercari. I already talked about Amazon, but Mercari is like where I buy all used products if I want to get something discounted. I love that app, and it's also great for selling. Here's my finance folder I used to have a lot more apps in here, and then I deleted them because I was checking this stuff way too often. So I have Discover, manage my credit card, Liberty Mutual for my car insurance, Mint. I could not recommend Mint enough. You can connect all your financial accounts to this one app, and it can show you your spending per month. You can like set up budgeting. You can see all your subscriptions. You can track your net worth, which is all your like assets minus your liabilities, that sort of thing. Love Mint, can't recommend it enough. Middlesex Savings Mobile, just so I can check my banking information. PayPal, Venmo, those are like interconnected. PayPal owns Venmo, but I use both. Invest in some cryptocurrency using Coinbase as well, but I deleted that just because I was tired of watching it go down constantly. Google Apps, I use all these. I'm not gonna. In Samsung, same thing. Like Samsung Notes is probably like my favorite Samsung app. I use that to study for my exam on my tablet. I've taken all my notes on my tablet using my S Pen and my tablet for writing. I love it so much. My only 2 social media apps I currently have, I uninstalled Instagram because I thought it was the most pointless app of all time. I was tired of looking at other people's pictures, and I was like, why don't I focus on myself a little? So if you guys want a tip, uninstall Instagram. I hate that app. Snapchat to me is like the only social media. It's like the only social media app, basically. Like you interact with the most people on Snapchat. You message people on Snapchat. Like I know people post stories and stuff, but to me that's not the main priority of Snapchat. It's like communicating with people. TikTok, it's so addicting. Like they have some of the funniest memes on there I've ever seen. It's great for sending memes to like your friends and stuff. It's kind of like the new Vine. For transportation, I got M-Ticket, which is to buy my train tickets, and also Uber, if I ever need to Uber someplace. Anchor, calculator, calendar, camera, Chipotle. Love Chipotle. Chipotle, if you ever want to sponsor a video, please hit me up in the DMs or email at scotttylermedia21@gmail.com. Linked in the description if you want to send me an email, Chipotle, and you want a link. I'm always down for a collaboration. Clock, I use that for, I don't know, like alarms, although I do use my like Alexa all the time. Hopefully I didn't just activate that. I probably did. What else do I got in here? Contacts, whatever. Crunch Fitness, the gym I go to, I use that to scan in basically. I don't really use it for anything else. Google Duo for video calls. If I want to video call someone, I can do it straight on my phone. All those like iPhone people that like get so mad you don't have FaceTime, it's like literally just download Google Duo. The quality's better, in my opinion. I don't even think that's an opinion. That's just like objective fact. I think the quality's better than FaceTime. Fantasy, I do fantasy football. Love fantasy football. Do it every single year, almost every single year. I've missed a couple, but love that app. Gallery for pictures. Hopper, I've talked about this app a little in the past. The Hopper app is useful for booking hotels and flights on one app, like instead of having to like go on like the company's website or something. I love this app because it's like it's so simple and you get all these like cash back rewards when you do it. Everything's cheaper. They find you the best deals. You can price free stuff, so you can like lock in a price now if you don't want to pay for it right now. You just put like a small deposit down, and if the price goes up, then they'll reimburse you the difference, and if it goes down, you'll pay the lower price. Octa-Verify, I don't really want to talk about that app. It's a VPN thing. Podcaster reminders. I don't really use reminders just because I have Todoist. Secure folder where I put all my private stuff. Settings. Shazam. I like never use Shazam, but like once in a while if I hear a song and I'm like, oh, I like that song, like I'll Shazam it. Todoist. I've talked about that app a lot. That's how I get things done. Voicemail, YouTube Music, and YouTube Studio. So voicemail, never use it hardly ever. YouTube Studio, I use that literally every day. I've uninstalled it in the past because I thought I was looking at it like too much, but oh, my recording saved. But yeah, I mean, we're done looking at my phone anyway. Like I started looking at it too much to the point where like I was getting obsessed with it, so I uninstalled it. But now I think I'm at a healthy medium where I'm not checking it all the time. I'm only checking it like a little every once in a while because I think it is a little unhealthy if you're like constantly checking your analytics, like seeing like, oh my god, are people watching my stuff? I'm getting nervous about it. This video is not getting as many views. At the end of the day, like who cares? Like me, like I'll upload stuff. I think it's cool. I think it's informative, and yeah, that's what's on my phone 2021, guys. I'm pretty straightforward and pretty basic, but like if you enjoyed this video, I don't know, like it, share it, do all that sort of thing. Follow me on TikTok if you really want to. Start uploading like math TikToks just because I thought it was cool and I like math. Yeah, my life's kind of weird right now. I'm studying for an exam like literally 24/7, 8 hours a day. Like that's my full-time job right now, is just studying. So yeah, if you want more tips on how to be an actuarial analyst, go follow me on TikTok at NextGenActuary. Maybe I should link that down below as well. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.